Okay, so hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you how can you make an animated clock in Scratch. So first I'm going to create my project. So what we are going to make an animated clock in Scratch. So before making something in Scratch, I'll show you a tutorial of it. Wait a minute. I have made this. I'm going to do the same code. Make it this. Okay. So you can see this is my animated clock. So you can see actually you can check. See. So this type we are going to make something like this only this type of. Okay. But we are going to I'm going to tell you how can you make it in online editor. So we are going to delete the scratch cat and name our project such as animated clock in scratch. Wait a minute. Yes, animated clock in scratch. So I've named it as now. I'm going to choose a backdrop. Suppose let's see. Let's check. We don't. Yes, I think this looks good. Now we are going to go to backdrops here. Click on fill. I'm going to choose this color, fill it here, yes. No, it's just here. And I'm going to choose this color, suppose this one to fill it here. Good. So these are the same colors that I told you before. Okay, so now we are going to add the number. Sorry, go to, wait a minute. Go to backdrops again. I forgot something. Click here on text and you can write your numbers by changing the font also. So I'll write first of all 12. Wait a minute. I have to change the font to write the numbers. Suppose I want this font. Okay, let's try this. 12. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see if we can drag them. Let me increase the size of something of this. Okay, let's drag it here. Okay, this is a good position, I think so. Okay, we need to put it in the center of this. And I'm going to change the font, suppose of these only because these are the main four. I'm going to change the font to marker. I like that marker. Yes, I really like that marker. So we are going to change the 12 also. Wait a minute. Okay, 12 is now marker. If you want, you can do all, but I like only these ones to be changed into fonts because they all not need. It's not needed for all of them to be changed. Wait a minute. You have to put it, and I'm going to increase it. Just put the setting of this. Okay, this. Put it here and put this here. And now I'm going to make all the numbers. Now I'm going to make 4. I'm not gonna change the font size of this. Goes here. 5. Increase a little bit of its font size. And here. And then 6. I'm going to change its font size. I'm going to change its font style to mark, not its size. Okay, so I'm going to put it at, okay, here it's nice. So mine is gonna look like this only. I'm not gonna put it as marker. Now I'm going to put it as sans serif 7, and suppose like this only I'm going to put 8, 9 and 10. Okay. We are making a clock, so we need numbers here. Suppose I like 8 also, like this only, you just increase it. If you like, you can increase also the font size or decrease also, but the main part is of dragging everything. So now we are going to put it at 9. This I'm going to put it at markers. So it's your choice. It's your choice which font you like. So it's up to you. But according to me, I like this types. We are not gonna put this at marker. It's your choice. Whatever you want to do. I am going to just do like this only, but you can do whatever you want. It's not necessary that you only copy me. Sorry, you can only copy me. It's not necessary. Okay, so now I'm just gonna place them like the correct position. 9 should be a little bit of down. Okay, now my clock is ready. Now I'm going to just place a small circle. Yes, okay. Wait. Now we are going to, oh, sorry, don't click here. Delete. Wait a minute, go here. Wait. I'm going to decrease its size. To select this all, click here on group. Now I have grouped these all. Okay. Now go to code. Now I'm going to search for some hands of the clock. Let's check if we can get them. Let's see. Mm, I don't think there are some hands. Let's have a look. Let me have a look again. If you want, you can use this wand. You can use the push pencil, paddle, line also you can use. According to me, okay, I'm going to use that trick again which I told you. So go to offline editor, click here on file, new. Now I told you you should keep offline editor downloaded because that. Let's check if we can find any hands here. Sure. Okay, let's check once again if we can find any hands here. Okay. Let's check once again if we can find anything. Okay, so let me see this. You can use candle. Let me check out something that we can use. Okay, this guitar looks well suited one. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to, okay. Now right click that I told you that trick, save to local file. Click here on, wait a minute. Now I'm suppose I want to save it on pictures or download. So I saved it at this guitar. Now I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to online editor, back, click here. You don't click. Upload sprite from device. Wait a minute. Now I saved it on download. So guitar sprite 2. Now you can see. Now let's decrease the size. You can use guitar also or line also. I'm going to set as 60. or maybe 40. Okay, 40 size as well. Now I'm going to do we are going to do the coding, so this is going to become our hand. So this is going to become our hand, that's why it's small. So now I'm going to just try this. Now just change costume here. No, don't go here. We need to decrease the size of this, so let's change it into a different color. Suppose we take this. Okay, blue is fine. I like this blue color. So I'm going to take this and write the coding for it. So the coding is when flag click um forever. So let me show you this again now. Here, sorry, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm going to show you a project here. Before I show you something, I like to show you something, another thing. Wait a minute. Now this was the project that I was showing you. Now you can see here when we start this. Now when we start, suppose I start, we are going to take care of this goal later, but I am going to show you that when it starts, it just starts moving. So it needs to be in the center of our screen. You can see. So I am going to go here and not use forever. We are going to use go to X, not this. We are going to put 0 and 0. Sorry, not 20. That means the center of our screen. So when it will be in our center, so you can see it becomes in our center of our screen. Okay, so some type of that I'm going to teach you how to make it. Okay, so now I will show you this once again. Now you can see it says it just keeps on moving. So for this we are going to it's a clock, so its hands needs to keep moving, so we are going to go to control forever, and then we are going to go to motion, point in direction 90. We are going to go to operators, choose this multiplication one, and then go to sensing, here on timer, and then timer multiply 6. So here I've taken you to, we need to put these 6 timers so that it could move. So here I've taken you to paint. Now for we are going to divide it into hands. So for the second hand, I'm going to put just S for the second hand. We will put timer, it should be timer. T for timer, it should be multiply 6. So here timer multiply 6, and for the minute hand it should be uh, timer multiply suppose 0.1 is fine. Yes, 0.1, and for the hour hand uh, we are going to use it as timer multiply 0.0.000 and 1 17 0.0017. So this is the thing that we are going to use. Okay, so now this we have put in, now you can see it starts moving. Is it? Okay. Now we are going to duplicate this one more. Before it, I am going to name this as my second hand. Okay, suppose I name it as my second hand and I am going to duplicate this. Now I am going to change the color of this. I am going to change the color of this. What? So I am going to change the color of this. So now I am going to just use it as okay, this. Now suppose this color. Not this color because it's matching with. So I'm going to use this some type of yellow green type color. Okay, so let's try this color. Okay, some type of yellow green. Yes, looks good. Now we are going to use this. Put the coding for this. Not this. Okay, same code, but we are going to put here instead of timer that I told you for minute hand, we are going to use 0.1. Now see. You can see now it is just going easily. Okay. So now we are going to just duplicate it. Before this, I'm going to name it as minute. Wait a minute. Minute hand. Now I'm going to duplicate it once again and this time name it as our, wait a minute, our hand. So this is good. Now I'm going to just this time I am going to use instead of 0.1 0.000 and then 117. Okay. So this is now I'm going to change the color of this costumes. Suppose I put it as red type color. Okay, this looks good. Now we have our minute hand. Now you can see. So now I was telling you about that goal. Now you can see it's working. So the hour hand will move about in an hour and the minute hand will move about in a minute. So check after some time. Suppose you can set your own time also. But I am going to keep it like this. Now I'm going to add something, suppose a sprite. I'm going to choose a man. You can choose the champ also, the crab. If you like, you can choose Devin, dragon. I'm going to, you can take hedgehog also, the porcupine or something. It's your choice, but according to me, I'm going to, in that we had gold, but I'm going to this time choose dragon. So for dragon, I'm going to decrease its size to suppose about 40 or something. Yes, this now looks good. Now I'm going to rotate it direction. That side I want it to face. Okay, the minute. Yes, direction it should be like this. Direction it should be 86. Okay, now I'm going to when this sprite is clicked, wait a second, looks, say hello for 2 seconds. After that again wait uh, suppose 3 seconds and then say this is my animated animated clock. No, just again wait. This time also 3 seconds, and then say bye. I'm going to put it a little bit of simple dialogues for it. So it's your choice what dialogues you want. So you can see it says hello for 2 seconds. See, then it says this is my animated clock, and then bye. So you can see, and this clock also it will move about in an hour. You check and come what happened. So thank you everyone. So bye everyone. Thanks. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye. Bye everyone. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel. Share it to your friends and family. Just click the like button. It's my kind request. So thanks.